Entrepreneurship is the new women's movement. And this women's self-made revolution, it isn't a phase or a passing fad. It's a new way of life, and we're just getting started.
I had huge momentum with my one-on-one services. My Facebook advertising completely skyrocketed. I got about 1,500 people onto my list, I think in about 3 to 4 weeks, and my business has just grown ever since.
We had a hugely successful launch, which I'm forever grateful to Jane for. We made $30,000 in the first month, and it's now a platform that continues to grow. So it was really Jane's help and guidance, not only around the branding, but also the launch strategies that got me to where I needed to be.
Since I joined Business Made Beautiful, I have launched my online coaching program. I've doubled my turnover, and I've also increased my mailing list from 0 up to here.
The best part of actually joining this program has been really the friendships I've made, but of course also the income I've generated very rapidly.
Working with Jane has been a fantastic experience. She's really helped me to focus what it is that I need to do step by step to reach my goals. And without that focus, I just wasn't going anywhere fast.
So Jane, thank you. Keep up the amazing work. And if you're thinking about joining one of Jane's programs, I'd highly recommend it.